Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the connectivity option and then tap on it. And here find the option called Wi-Fi and select it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and once it is, scroll down and tap on Add Network. Here scroll down, find the list called Available Networks, and once you find it, tap on the network you want to connect to. And if the network is protected, you will need to enter the password. Then you can enter it on a phone or enter it on a watch. I'm gonna tap on Enter on Watch. Tap right here and enter the password, so give me a second. Okay, and once you enter the password, tap on the check mark to confirm, and then tap on Connect to connect to the network. Let me just check if the password is right. It seems to be. Tap on Connect. And the network should appear right here at the top of the saved networks list, and it should say connected. And then once you're done, you can press the upper button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.